welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hair right here, an at-home blowout using the Revlon blow dryer. I forgot what it's called, like a two-step or one-step volumizing, something like that. I typically always just let my hair air dry, turn it into Mufasa, and use a flat iron. The minute that my friend recommended me this blow dryer, I went out and I got it and I fell in love. I never wear my hair straight, rarely ever do I wear it straight, and since I've gotten this blow dryer, I will wear my hair like this for like 2 days, and then after that add some curls to it. But I am loving the way it made my hair look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hair, how I use this dryer, what kind of hair products do I use, make sure to keep on watching so you guys can see my final thoughts on this dryer. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that little button down below, follow me on all my social medias, Instagram for example, and let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, to start off my hair, I'm going to be using this blow dry spray. It's basically a heat protectant by the brand Kenra. I absolutely love this. So I place this all over my hair just to make sure that I get basically every section of my hair. Then I take a brush, just brush it through, again, just to ensure that it's kind of like evenly spread out. Then I go ahead and part my hair. I'm sure you guys know how to do this because probably everybody does this and I'm so late to the game. But I go ahead, clip my hair up, and then I begin to work in sections for blow drying my hair. Honestly, I've never been a fan of blowing dry my hair until I've used this thing right here. It's amazing. So I like to use it in the setting low. It's totally unnecessary to use a setting high in my opinion, and also the less heat the better. So I like to take, when my hair is pretty wet, I take the whole thing, just run it through the blow dryer just to quickly kind of dry it up a little bit, kind of damp, and then I will begin to section it off piece by piece to really ensure that my roots are getting pretty straight. So I have extremely curly hair, especially at my roots, just because I straighten my hair all the time, so my ends are a little bit more dead. But at my roots, my hair is so curly. So I like to really separate in pieces, section it out, and then hold it there for about 5 seconds, just to really ensure that my roots stay a little bit more straight than normal. That way, the less heat I have to use, the better. Like, meaning I don't have to go in and flat iron behind me blow drying. And honestly, I think this dryer does such a good job in straightening my hair. So I do believe that the Kenra spray does add a little bit too much oil, so sometimes I like to go in with the Ouai dry shampoo to kind of take the oil out. But you can see here kind of like how oily it is at my roots, but it does make my hair super shiny and silky. So it's kind of like the downside, but like an upside, and I honestly really love the product a lot. So you can see here how pretty and shiny it looks. And then you'll see me later on picking up the Ouai dry shampoo whenever it's a little bit too oily. Then I'll go in and spray the dry shampoo. But you guys basically know how to blow dry your hair, but I wanted to show you guys how I do it and some tricks that I do. So I'm just going to go ahead, put everything in fast speed kind of motion. Obviously, it doesn't take me this fast to do it. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to do my hair, but this video is like only 9 minutes, but that's okay. So, all right, I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up for you guys. guess you can say, product of my hair. Typically I would go back in and really like touch up my roots a lot with a straightener. I do have extremely curly hair, so for me to get this very straight is extremely hard. So I do the best as I can with this. I also don't want to keep it so, I guess you could say, rolled up and like holding it there for too long, because I do want my hair to get a little bit healthier. And like already, like this is pretty broken from me using a lot of heat. So you can tell like I still have like a little bit of like curly spots, but I honestly don't mind. What I love the most about this blow dryer is how much volume it gives my hair. Typically when I shower, I would just wash my hair, let it air dry, and just go straight into a flat iron with it, which makes it so straight. But I honestly love how it like curls the ends of my hair in different directions. It makes me feel like I went to a hair salon and I got a blowout kind of thing. And I honestly used to never be fans of blowouts until I purchased this for myself and I used it for the first time. I have like so much shit in it. Ew, what the hell? I am obsessed with this. Every single time I wash my hair now, which is like once or twice a week, I use this in my hair. I'll wear my hair like this for, I would say, 2 days, and then once it starts to get dirty, I just use a little bit more of this Ouai dry shampoo that you guys saw me use, and then I'll go into my wand, hit up a couple pieces, and then just let it be messy. I feel like this is way better than going in with the flat iron and straightening your hair, like the whole entire thing. I feel like it's less heat. So the whole time that I used it in my hair, it was on the low setting, like the low. Listen to how like low it is. So this is cool. This is low. This is the setting that I use the whole time when drying my hair, and then this would be high. I personally don't like the high setting. I feel like it's a little bit too hot, a little bit too hard of air. I feel like it makes my hair a little bit more frizzy. So I honestly just like to go into the low setting, and I feel like the low setting already gets super hot in itself, that you don't really need the high. If you guys like to use the high, I would say go ahead, but me personally, I like to use the cool setting. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick how I use this Revlon hairstyle and my thoughts about it. I know I've put this in a vlog before, and I think I put it in my Amazon designer video. I'm so stuffy, I'm so sorry. How much I love this, but I wanted to show you guys a video of me using it and how good it is. Literally, this is all this, and with how curly my hair is, I personally think that this looks amazing for how curly my hair is. And I hate the fact that you would have to use a blow dryer and a round brush, so the fact that this is 2-in-1 is amazing. So if I recommend this 10 out of 10, of course I'm gonna say 10 again. I said it in my Amazon video, and I also said it in my vlog. This is amazing, and Target price matches Amazon, so I think I got this for $35. It was $35 on Amazon. I went into Target, which it's $60 at Target. They price matched it for me, and I walked away with a steal. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my hair today, seeing how I get this hair. Not saying I have the best hair in the world, but I feel like it is so cute compared to your typical flat ironed straight hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.